Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Make sure everything good. Y'all hear me? Alright, cool. Hold up, y'all. Can y'all? Alright, cool. God damn. It's your boy Up Next. Man, let him come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, look. Hey, we got Miss Nikki, baby, response to GELO. Y'all know GELO. GELO ball buying this girl a G-Wagon. Look, it's 4 a.m. Mentally, I'm a little, you know what I'm saying? But physically, I'm like, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Because just like, I don't know. I don't know what number this is. I don't even remember what number this is. Like 17, 18 number video. But yo, let's hop straight into this video. The video already 11 minutes long. Probably gonna watch like 8 minutes of it. So shout out to Room for Tea. Make sure y'all go support them if y'all want to watch the whole video. If I don't watch the whole video, I'll just get it because I usually get the gist of the video like 5 to 6 minutes in. I don't have to listen to someone yap for 10 minutes straight. I have other videos to do. So let's go. What type of shit is that? Miss Nikki, baby. Okay, so he bought his girl a car.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It looks like Love and Hip Hop star Miss Nikki Baby was in her feelings after her baby daddy LeAngelo Ball decided to gift his new girlfriend Rashida Nicole a G-Wagon. Yes, yesterday Rashida Nicole decided to post onto her Instagram this new G-Wagon that she got from her man LeAngelo Ball, and then her caption reads, "Just because, love you." Okay, a very nice G-Wagon, if I have to say so myself. Okay, now of course Miss Nikki Baby, she had to get into the comments. Okay, I guess she just couldn't resist at this point. I'm wondering when the unbotheredness is going to come in for her. Okay, anyways,
unbothered. Don't they got like 2 kids? Y'all motherfuckers don't be thinking unbothered.
A fan commented and they said, "Hope it ain't in his name." Okay, look, we don't want another Sweetie and Quavo's.
Yeah, hoping it ain't his name. It's not. I wear this on my wrist. You doing all this and that and still haven't sent your kids no money. That's sad. Could at least got the poor girl AMG at least. What the fuck are y'all talking about? Why ain't Mozzie the new boyfriend of the Whoop the Whoop? Shawty said, "I wear this on my wrist. You doing all this and still haven't sent your kids no money, nigga. If you wear it on your wrist, why do I have to send the kids money? If you wearing this on your wrist, the fuck are we talking about? And Mozzie, you a hoe for entertaining the bullshit. If you fuck with Miss Nikki, nigga, Mozzie, you a hoe, bro. You a hoe. Listen, see, I'm from the country, bro. Listen, this is what I be trying to tell y'all niggas. It don't matter how much money these niggas get, bro. If you a hoe, you just a hoe. And you right. I probably want to say it to your face. I wouldn't say it to your face. I don't want no problem with nobody. Now, if you act like a hoe in front of me, you know, I still wouldn't probably address it. I don't know. You never know what you'll do.
Situation going on. You already know what I'm talking about. Then that's when Rashida, she commented, she responded, and I
don't have to fight nobody. You know what I'm saying? I really get paid to fight somebody. I don't really want to go back and forth with no nigga. I don't really want to do all that shit in real life. You know what I'm saying? I just like talking shit on the internet because you can get paid. You get paid for this shit. You know what I'm saying?
She said it's not, and then she put the laughing emoji. Good. Okay, I do not agree with anybody gifting anyone a car, but it's still in the other person's name. Boosie and his daughter doing all of this. Like comment section, and they were like,
finish the caption just because that nigga at Mozzie put a G-Wagon on Nikki wrist. Put a G-Wagon on Nikki wrist. Bro, at the end of the day, Nikki still got goddamn Nikki, you all in the comment section. You're terrible. You're miserable. If you was really getting money, if you was really focused and shit, you wouldn't even be worried about this. If you're wearing this on your wrist, you wouldn't even you'll blow this shit off. You're miserable. Nikki, you have 2 kids with this man. You're miserable.
Like, finish the wrist, basically.
And Mozzie, this is who you choose. You choose the baby mama with 2 kids that still comment up under the ex post. Mozzie, it says a lot about you and your self confidence, my guy.
Basically, that Miss Nikki and his come on, like they can do. Actually,
It's a
Expect
whole lot of
the fact
yapping,
that
bro.
her baby daddy.
I see everyone saying me cheating on me. Oh yeah, okay. That's old.
Cheating, but that's just my honest opinion. Giving
You see
their
what I'm saying? I can't listen to all this goddamn bro. It's fuck, man. It's 4 a.m. in the goddamn morning. I gotta listen to this yapping shit. Man, hell no. I end the video early. I ain't listening to no fucking yapping, bro. I just want to see what everybody had to say. I just want to see what the main character got to say. That's it, bro. I don't want to listen to your opinions and your viewpoint. You're a female. Shout out to Room for Tea, but I don't want to. I don't want to hear your opinions on this shit. I just don't. I just don't. The T pages are the most delusional, the most two brain celled females out there. I don't want to listen to y'all opinion. The fuck. Next video, bro. I don't even give a damn if this bitch 8 minutes long. Y'all know I give a fuck if the video 8 minutes long. I don't even care. Next video. Hold on. Make sure. All right, fuck it. Yeah, I can't stand 2 more minutes of this shit. Nah.